I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. As you can see, the box is good size. It has lots of things that it'll help you with on the side, as well as just some general information and information about your oil. So inside, you can see it's tightly packed. Nothing's gonna break, nothing's gonna fall out. The first thing you want to pull out is your instructions. Very thorough, good support as you go through the process. Everything is written up for you, and if you're so inclined, please give us a review when you're done. So as you pull out your kit, it comes all together in one little bundle. As you pull it out, you separate the jar from the rest of it, and we give you an organic cotton face cloth to help you clean yourself when you're done. It also comes with a miniature bar of soap so that you can have a cleanup that works for you, that's green and clean and easy to do. Your castor oil comes in an aluminum bottle. We'll just put it on the side. Each castor oil pack comes with 250 mils. You can also get refills in bigger sizes or just the 250 mils. So your flannel is approximately 30 centimeters by 30 centimeters. Shouldn't need more than that, and actually quite often, depending on where I'm putting it, I will fold it in half so that it's even smaller. Well, this is half. So yeah, so it unfolds. You just unfold it, and then you stick it directly into the jar, and then you pour in some castor oil and massage it around. So eventually you get this. And so that's what comes in your castor oil pack. And we hope that you will have success and feel much better once you've used it. I'm going to do a separate video on how to use it because some people are only here for unboxing. Anyway, thank you very much.